welcome to Frenchmade's channel, where I'm going to show you tips and recipes to make yummy French pastries. My name's Catherine, and as you can hear, I'm from France, and that makes me an expert in French pastries, of course, because that's what I've been eating all my life. And more than that though, I've created Frenchmade Baking 7 years ago in Vancouver with my husband David, who's behind the camera today. We had a pastry shop where we were specializing in making macarons, croissants, cannelés, crêpes and other French pastries, and we were also teaching baking classes. That was until 2017, when I decided I wanted to explore the world and close the pastry shop. So that was a bit of a radical move, and that's where I got the idea that maybe I could share my recipes with our customers and with you here on YouTube and on our website, so that you can bake yummy French pastries at home. You can learn how to make really good French pastries at home. It's not that hard, you just need to follow the steps and instructions, which I'm going to explain in each video. Let me tell you a little secret. I wasn't always a baker. I wasn't a baker before I came to Vancouver. I enjoyed baking, and I've been baking all my life with my mother and at home making cakes, but I never thought I would become a baker ever. And that was until we created Frenchmade Baking. And then I learned with David and with other bakers who were working with us. They taught me how to make cakes and all the kinds of pastries that we had in the pastry shop. So that's when I discovered that I really enjoyed the process of baking and creating recipes and cakes. And I also discovered it's not that difficult if you follow the steps and if you put your heart into it. Baking is like chemistry. There's a reason why you put the ingredients in a certain order and why you can't substitute one with another without changing the whole structure of the cake. So that's something you need to know, and which I'm going to explain in the recipes. If you follow the steps and instructions, and if you learn how to combine the different flavors, baking is a really fun and rewarding experience, especially if you bake with your friends, your family, your kids, and then you sit down and you enjoy the cakes all together. So that's the story of how I became a baker. I learned on the job with other people, and that's what I want to do with you. I want to share my tips and my recipes so that you can become an awesome baker. If there's a French recipe you struggle with or something you'd like to learn, please leave a comment below so that I know what I can help you with. And I'll see you in the kitchen!